Hey, let's talk about paver sand. See this pura sand? This is what you use. The granule side, there's actually almost like a concrete mix in there for a reason. A lot of guys are putting on this pool filter stuff, and that's not what you want to use because there's different size grains in there, and people complain about these grains on their feet. That's not what you use. That does nothing. That'll fall out in a day. Then there's some more down here I want to show you real quick. But this permasand is what you use, okay? And there's a way to use it. When pavers are done right, and I mean right, there's no weeds, it lasts, the sand lasts, it stays in the joint. Here's what some other people are using also, which is not the right stuff anyway. Also, leveling sand, not even close, okay? It's the wrong size, and the base is a different size also. Totally wrong stuff. This kind of sand here gets on top, it's granule or large, and when I get on top, it feels like you're walking on asphalt in the road. People don't like that. There's a reason why they put pavers in their backyard, to be smooth and clean. You have to use the right stuff. Okay, the right stuff is not cheap. Okay, it's about $25–30 for this size, and when it's done right, okay, it lasts a long time. It doesn't have a huge layer on top either, like a lot of guys are doing, and then they claim, oh well, the customer wanted that way. No, they didn't. You just did it wrong. Don't lie. Okay, if you don't know what you're doing, just leave it to the pros, please. Seriously, do it right or go home. That's it.